Hello guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Saga. Today I am going to create this very easy summer matte yet glowy look which is totally sweat proof, long lasting and most importantly marks friendly. Yes, in this COVID situation we want a long lasting and marks friendly makeup than anything else. Here I'll be using only the transfer proof makeup products, as you can wear this makeup by wearing a mask also. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep watching, and if you are new in my channel, please take a moment to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Let's get started. So first of all, to prime my face, I am applying this luminous primer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It just has a little bit of shimmer, I guess, might be, but anyway, it just looks absolutely stunning. Now I am little bit trimming my face before applying the foundation with a shaver, which I bought it from Nykaa. I will provide the link in my description box. Now I am taking my most favorite drugstore foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. I am NC40 in MAC for reference if you guys want to know my shade. Now I am taking a beauty blender to blend my foundation. Now for concealer, I am using my LA Curl concealer in the shade creamy beige on the high points of my face. Make sure you dab your beauty sponge on your eyelids too to make a perfect base for the eye makeup and also to hide any dark circles if you have. Now to set my face, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Trust me guys, this is one of my favorite compared to all the high-end setting powders. For the brows, I am using my new Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. And I am definitely liking it because it has 3 segments in it. You can create a proper ombre effect with this kit. And set your brows with the wax it provided. And I am using the same brush from this kit to draw my brows. For eyeshadow, I am taking my Miss Rose palette and taking this pink matte eyeshadow, applying it onto the outer corner of my eyes. Make sure you apply from the outer corner to the middle of your eyes. Now take this pink pigment eyeshadow and apply it onto the crease area to make a transition shade and blend it with the pink matte eyeshadow so there is no harsh lines. Now I am taking this white pigment eyeshadow from my Wet n Wild palette and applying it onto the inner corner of my eyes to the middle of my eyes. With the help of a flat brush, I am taking the same pink eyeshadow onto the outer lower lid and just blending it out. Now for eyeliner, I am using my Maybelline gel liner. You guys can use any eyeliner you have of any brand. Here I am making a wing focusing only on the outer and lower eyelid. This technique of applying liner will make your eyes look more bigger and prominent. Please take a note of how I am applying, although it is very easy to apply. Now the main part of this liner application. Make sure you apply the lower part of the liner carefully by avoiding the waterline. You can definitely see now the difference of how my eyes just popped out and making it look more big and awakened. Now I am applying a small coat of mascara before I apply my falsies. Now for highlighter, I will be using my e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Rose Gold and I will be applying it into the inner corner of my eyes. For bronzer, I am using my new LA Colors Shimmer Bronzer. This bronzer has a shimmer in it and gives you that proper glowy look you want for this look. blusher, I'll be using my K-Beauty blusher in the shade Sugar Candy. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite holy grail product in the drugstores. For lipstick, I am using my Too Faced matte lipstick in the shade Sellout. You guys wear any nude lipstick you have according to your taste. And don't forget to apply some blusher on your nose tips to create that perfect summer look. For setting spray, I am using e.l.f. matte setting spray. Here I am applying some highlighter on my collarbone, and voila! So this is the final look. If you guys like this video, please don't forget me to give me a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comment section of how you like this look, and also please definitely try out this look from your own. I can assure you, you will like it. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.